Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart on 15 minutes, you can see that there is a continuous downfall. Okay, it has already made a low of around $63.5. After that there is a continuous upside, but it is not so much of volatility we have seen after making this particular low. Okay, and it is moving in the range of around $74, and this is the particular low what we have seen. After that it is continuously on upside. If you look at this particular trend, there is a range bound we have seen. It is happening in the US oil, in the crude. Okay, so chances are very high because we have seen there is a continuous 4-5 candles are red, so probability can be high. If this level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down. Okay, and if you look at a day wise chart, that is where you will understand here that there is a continuous upside is happening and a U pattern is forming. So chances are very high that suppose if the price sustain, it can go further high towards a level of $73.64. This $73.64 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can move further upside, or if this level sustain, then we can see it can go further high. Okay, but if the price move up that level, then a chances of going towards $75.5 is there, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then chances of going further high is there, as a swing is already formed at this particular level. Okay, a level of around 68, so chances of going further high is there. Okay, this is the first point that you have to understand. The second thing is that there is a pattern forming after pandemic. That is also you have to understand here is because this pattern is being repeated for quite some time. What this pattern says, after the negative trend moves okay into positive, that whenever it hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, and this sharp fall is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, 3/5 is repeated. Okay, and after it form a swing, that is where it goes and make a new high. Okay, now when this is for the sixth time it would have been made a new high, but what it did, because of the situation, war situation was there. Okay, Fed was continuously increasing rate, as well as USD dollar getting strengthened. If the USD dollar getting strengthened, what does that mean? That whatever they are importing, other countries are importing crude or any other commodities, they have to pay more for the same quantity. Suppose the price of USD is 80. Okay, as when it moves to 81, they have to pay more for the same. For other countries, they have different currencies. Okay, so now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now what we have seen, a swing is formed, so chances can be high if this level sustain, it can cross a level of around $73.54, which is already a weak resistance. So chances are high it can cross a level of $73.54, and it can go further upside towards a level of $74.8. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching 75.75 is there. This 75.75, there is a gap still pending, so once it move over this level, this gap is already filled, but probability is very high. If it crosses level of 75.75, chances of touching 78.79 is there. Okay, and once the price sustain above 78.79, then yes, a probability is very high, it can go further upside, and chances of touching a level of around 80.63 is there, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of 81.2, a level of $83.04, and if the price sustain above 83, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 85.5. so once the price sustain 85.5, then we can see it can move further upside. I'll make another video explaining you. Okay, now see, if you look at this, overall trend is downside. Okay, and this down you can see from first week of April, okay, 23, this is continuously down. Okay, now but the volatility is good. Okay, and it is moving in a particular zone. So, and for this particular day, we have seen it is forming a red candle. Chances can be high, suppose if this level didn't sustain, it can move towards its next support of $71.76, and if that level also move further down, then it can go further low towards a level of 71.76 to a level of around $69.90. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, it can move further down towards a level of $68.30, and $68.30 is already a weak resistance support, so chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of 67.97. keep that in mind that 67.97 we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, but if this level didn't sustain, chances of going further down will be there, and chances of touching 66.21 will be there, and from there we can see a level of $65.45. Okay, and if that level move further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $62.31, and then further low if the price didn't sustain that level. Okay, if the price fall below a level of 62, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, I do a workshop also where I teach fundamental, technical, and how to trade, analyze, psychology, all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.